Hi there and welcome. I'm Jackie from Stampingjack.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and today I want to show you this really quick and easy card to make using the Party Pandas stamp set from Stampin' Up. This is one of our celebration stamp sets, which means that you can't purchase this stamp set, but you earn it for free with every £45 order that you place with me between now, which is the 8th of January, and 31st of March. So you can see we've got some gorgeous, cute images here. So let's get on with the card. So we'll start with a card base in Bermuda Bay, which is just a sheet of A4 cut in half. So I'm just going to fold that in half, and with my bone folder, which was here, that has gone, there it is, and I'm just going to score that. Okay, then we have a piece of basic black cardstock which measures 14 centimeters by 10 centimeters. And then we have a piece of Whisper White which measures 9.5 centimeters by 13.5 centimeters. We also have a strip of our, I can't remember the name of it now, our Picture Perfect designer series paper, which is new in our spring summer catalogue, and I've cut a 1 centimeter by 13.5 centimeter strip like so. Okay, we're also going to need our basic black ink, and we're going to need some of our, this is our new glimmer paper from our spring summer catalogue, and this is the blue, which is quite close in colour to our Bermuda Bay. And we're also going to be using our balloon punch here to punch out a balloon, funnily enough. Okay, so let's just pop these pieces to one side, okay, on our card, and let's come in here. So we've got our stamp set, and this one, I'm going to make this a happy birthday card. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to line up my piece of patterned paper, my strip. This is a great way to use up your scraps of paper, by the way, the bits that are left over from cutting. So I'm not going to stick it down yet because I want to make sure that I get my stamping in the right position. If I don't, or if I mess it up, then I can just flip the card over and I haven't lost my piece of paper. Okay, so just going to ink this guy up because he's quite a dark, quite an intense black image. Okay, I'm just going to make sure I give him a good inking, and then we're just going to place him down here like so. There we go. And same with the happy birthday. Give it a good inking. I'm just going to pop that there. Okay, so my stamping has worked out as I wish, so now I'm happy to glue down our strip. You only need a small bit of glue because you don't want it squirting out around the edges when you lay it down on your cardstock. Okay, just lay that down. Yeah, then we're going to bring in our balloon punch, and we're just going to punch out the smaller of the two balloons from our glimmer paper, like so. I'm going to attach that using a dimensional. Now you could just colour in that balloon if you wish, but I wanted to make it a bit bigger and a bit sparklier, so we'll just add that on there. Close up my ink pad. Then we just want some glue on the back of our panel. My glue is almost done, so I'm eking out the last bit. Okay, we'll bring back in our pieces. Lay that down on there. Okay. And then we just glue that piece to there. And there you have it. Easy peasy. Quick, simple, cute, gorgeous, love it. If you want to order any of the products that I've used, or you want to find out more about how you can earn this product for free, then check out the link to my blog and my online store in the description below. Thanks for watching. Bye.